Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel where we learn something new every day. And in today's video, we are going to learn about user form combo boxes, right? So we have already done a video on how to use combo boxes and all the properties of combo boxes, but how we can use them in user form is something we are going to see today. Coming up. Now, before we move on to our today's topic, if you are new on this channel and want to keep learning about VBA and learn everything about it, we share something new on this channel about VBA every day. So consider subscribing. Moving on to my screen right now, as you can see, we have months in column A, like from January till December. And in column B, we will assume these are the sales number of the company, right? And we want to create a user form like this, right? So this is what something I have created, and as you can see, we have a combo box here, and it also asks us to select a month here, right? So let's say if I select January, so I'll get January here in column D2, sorry, cell D2, and I'll also get the sale numbers. So for example, if I select March, so you can see this turned out to be 3000, which is March sales number, right? So this way we will prepare it. First of all, you have to open VBA editor, press Alt and F11, and after that, if you want to insert a user form, you have to click insert and click on user form. Okay, so this way you can resize it, as I've shown in earlier video also. You can resize it, and we will first see how we can give a name at the top, right? So let's say I want my company name to come up there. So I'll say, let's say XYZ company, right? So it can be any name of your company. So we'll keep it like XYZ, and you want like a nice picture here. So what you can do is there is a picture option if you are seeing where my mouse is right now. And you just have to click there, so 3 dots will appear here. Just click on this, and you can see I already have this picture which I selected in my last user form, so it directly took me there. So I'll take this, but you can take any picture, right? So a nice picture is here now, right? Now we will see, so you can use these pictures where you want company background there, or things, or any other interesting picture, so you can use this feature, right? After that, what we want is obviously we want a combo box here, right? So we'll click on the this button here, and we'll see this is the combo box, right? So we'll keep a combo box here, let's say, right? So now that we have combo box, we also want a label at the top, so that people know what this combo box is about, right? So let's say this combo box is, I'll just change the color so that it matches with the background. So I'll change this to, let's say, something like this, right? And I'll also increase the font size, because right now you see the font size is very small. So click on 4 color here, or font here, right? Because we don't want to change color. So click on font, and you can press 16 or any other font size you want. You can also change the font style or bold and all this, right? So I'll just select this for now, and now you can see the label is visible. I'll give the name as select the month for the report. Okay, so now this will show like this, right? If I just show you how this is looking right now, so this is how it is looking, very similar to what we are trying to create, but it does not have any list here. So we'll see how we can add the list, right? So now one of the easier ways is, so you can give the name, a defined name to this range, right? So for example, I have selected this full range, and then I write range 3 here. So I get the new defined name of range 3, right? You can also give defined name by going to formulas and name manager, but it's easier from here. Just select. So let's say I want to give a new name to this range, B1 to B12. So I can just write range 4, right? But in this case, we want the names in the list. So we have given the name range 3. I'll quickly move to this. So right now we have selected combo box 1. You can see this is selected here. And there will be an option of row source, right? So row source is, I'll just minimize this so you all can see that option. Let me just resize this. Okay. Right. So now this is the option I'm talking about, row source, right? So here you just have to write that name then. Otherwise, if you don't give a defined name, then what you will have to do, you have to write the sheet number, then exclamation mark, and then cell numbers. So this is the easier way to do this. So I'll just write range 3. And now if I just go and play this user form, you will see the list will start coming up. So now you can see this is my new user form, XYZ company, and the names are here of the months, right? But again, these are not linked to this cell right now, and they are very small. So we will see how we can change the formatting. Okay, so just again select combo box, and you would see again 4 color option here. So you can change the color from there, but here we don't want to change color, we want to increase the size. So again, I'll increase the size to 16, but you can make any other changes to fonts from here, right? I'll make the size 16, and we will just check this now. I'll select the user form, and now we will see how this is looking. So now I think this is my desirable result. I wanted fonts this much bigger, but if you want bigger fonts than this, you can obviously select a bigger size. So let's say I select January here, right? But nothing happens. So we will see how we can apply the code. So I already have written a simple one-liner code is there. It's nothing much. So what you need to do is basically, as soon as you have to just double click here, right? So here you will write your code. Okay. So as soon as this is user form 4, okay, right? So user form 4 will hide once it provides its value in cell D2. So like range and then the cell number where you want the value of what is selected in the combo box, right? And then you have to write like this, user form 4, because my new user form is user form 4 dot combo box 1, because this is the first combo box, and text. So this text will go in this cell, right? So this is D2 where this will go, right? Now how we will connect it to this button. So you have to right click on the button. Again, if you don't know how to add it, you can click on developer, insert, and the first option is of button. I'll show you, you can right click and assign a macro. Now you can see right now the macro which is assigned here is showing user form 3, but now I have 4th user form, which is a new one, so I've written 4 here, right? So this way it will show user form 4 whenever I click here, right? Now it is not showing the text like I showed you earlier, like select month, right? So first we will see how we can do that. So you have to select the combo box, and in the T section there is a text option here. So just write here your text which you want to see in default combo box when it pop-ups. So I write like select month from here, but you can write anything, right? And now we will again go back to Excel and click on here. So now you can see this text is coming here, select month from here. So user will know that he has to select a month here. He can click on it, select a month, and you can see it has started working. Similarly, I'll try one more time, and let's say I selected June. So you can see this has started working now, right? Similarly, you can add new pictures, or we are also going to talk about other things in user form, like how to add radio button, list box, or multi pages. Everything we'll be covering in our coming videos. So that's it for today's video. I hope you are now able to use combo boxes in Userform and are able to design them as per your requirement. If yes, hit the like button. Let me know in comments if you have any questions. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.